pouvoir, pouvoir, pouvoir.
Sir, P is silent?
No, no, pouvoir. We are pronouncing P. Pouvoir.
Okay.
Just a second. Next one is Supriya, pouvoir. Pouvoir. And the meaning of pouvoir is can or to be able to. Can or to be able to. And one more meaning is power. Pouvoir means can, to be able to, and power. Yes, Kavan?
Power.
Yes, power. P-O-W-E-R. And the conjugation is je, pa, tu, pa, il, elle, pa, nous pouvons, vous pouvez, il, elle, peuvent, peuvent, peuvent.
Sir, last one?
Peuvent, peuvent, peuvent.
Paw. Paw.
Peuvent. Yes, we have to pronounce ver. Peuvent,
Paw, never.
pa, and ver. Very good. Peuvent. And
Yes, sir.
The translation of power.
pouvoir means can, to be able to, and power. It means I can, you can, he, she can, we can, you can, they can. The next one is savoir.
Sawa. To know.
Savoir. Savoir means to know. Connaître means be to know, and savoir means to also to know. So what is the difference between savoir and connaître?
So can you repeat the question again?
Savoir also means to know, and connaître. What is the meaning of connaître, Shravan?
So to know.
Connaître means also to know. Savoir means also to know. So what is the difference between savoir and connaître?
So we use cometa in plural.
No. Just note down the meaning of savoir is also to know and connaître is also to know. But we can say to know fact or information. Whenever we know fact or information, that time we use savoir. You can write savoir means to know fact or information. And connaître. Connaître means also to know, but we use connaître when we are acquainted with place, person, or thing. When we are acquainted with place, person, or a thing, that time we use connaître. Sean, Shivani, Supriya, Emmanuel, done?
So can you repeat the definition of when we use cometa?
Sorry? Sean?
So can you repeat the sentence you were telling about cometa? We use cometa when we are acquainted
With place, person, or thing. And we use savoir whenever we are having information about fact and information. When we are having information and fact. When we know information and fact, that time we use savoir. Done? Turn. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Savoir. Savoir means to know, and the conjugation is je sais, tu sais, il, elle sait, nous savons, vous savez, Il, elle, savent. Il, elle, savent. Supriya? Done? Shivani, the pronunciation of ILS, ELS, સાવ
સાવ.
સાવ ગયેલો માણસ છે આપણે કહીએ ગુજરાતીમાં સાવ એ સાવ.
Yes, sir. Sir, એ જ લખ્યું છે.
Je sais, tu sais, il, elle sait, nous savons, vous savez, il, elle savent. Okay. Next verb is devoir. DEVOIR means devoir. And the meaning of devoir is must, have to, should, and to owe. Must, have to, should, and to owe. The meaning of devoir.
OWEO?
OWE. Oh, how much I owe you.
Sure, sir, can we add ought to also with this
Which one?
or not? Ought to, OUGHT.
Yes, we can add this because the similar meanings છે બધાના, right?
Yes, sir.
There are very lot of changes in this. So these
Yes.
all are irregular verbs, right?
Exactly. These all are irregular verbs, Emmanuel.
And we have to mark it up.
Yes. We don't have any other option, Emmanuel.
We solve it. We solve it.
I got disconnected due to network problem. Can you repeat what you were saying?
Savoir means to know, and the conjugation is je sais, tu sais.
No, it is an irregular verb.
Sorry,
Sir, it is then it is an irregular verb.
these all four are irregular verbs. Je sais, tu sais, il, elle sait, nous savons, vous savez, il, elle savent. Shravan, devoir. Devoir means must, have to, should, to owe. And the conjugation is je dois,
So devoir means must and
The-
have to.
must, have to, should, or to owe. OWE, to owe.
Sir, દુવા એટલે દુવા આપે ઈ વાળો દુવા.
Dua, dua, dua કરીએ આપણે એ dua.
Okay, sir.
Devoir means must, have to, should, and it and to owe. Shravan, and the conjugation is je dois. जो दुआ करते हैं हम वो वाला प्रोनाउंसिएशन है. je dois, tu dois, il, elle doit, nous devons, vous devez, surname Shivani Dave surname, vous devez,
Yes, sir.
il, elle doivent, il, elle doivent.
So I couldn't hear the last meaning, sir. Dua means must, have to, should, and
To owe, OWE, to owe, OWE.
okay, sir.
Then je dois, tu dois, il, elle doit, nous devons, vous devez, il, elle doivent. Okay. So Emmanuel, normally we don't have class on Wednesday because as Wednesday is my week off, right? So Shivani, Shravan, and Supriya, in homework, what you have to do, you have to by heart all these verbs first of all for our next class.
I will also.
Okay, sir.
Then Shravan, Supriya,
Yes, sir.
Answer.
Alex.
Yes,
I
sir.
will also by heart. I will
Yes,
also by heart.
Emmanuel. Yes, Emmanuel. Merci beaucoup. Allez, donc on se voit à jeudi. À jeudi. Et à bientôt. À bientôt.
A bientôt. See you tomorrow. See
See
you
you
after
soon.
tomorrow.
Yes.
See you
À bientôt.
soon.
See you
Yeah.
soon.
See you soon. I will convey this message to Asha also.
No
I will
worries.
make
Thank
her
you.
understand.
Sure, sure. Merci beaucoup, Emmanuel.
Merci beaucoup. Abhiyanto.
Abhiyanto, Shivani, yes, Shravan.
Sir, I told you the reason that I would not be there for Thursday and Friday's class.
No worries, Shravan. I will record the session and I will send you. Just provide me your
Okay.
email ID.
Please send me, say,
Yes,
this
sir.
session to me also. The recorded one, this one
Yes.
which is going on. Okay.
Yes,
I will forward you the email address.
Sure, no worries about it. Okay, then.
Missy.
Sir, you will forward it in the WhatsApp or should I provide you with my email ID?
No, you just forward me on my WhatsApp number. I will share you with on your email because we cannot share recording on WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
We
Sure.
have to share on email only, right? So you just
We-
message me your email ID on my WhatsApp number.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Vale.
we-
Abhiyanto,
Abhyanta. Salute.
salute.
Abhyanta.
Abhiyanto, Sofia.